In Jamaica Public Service (JPS), customers will see an average increase of about 7.43% on the electricity bills they receive this month, primarily because of the devaluation in the Jamaican dollar against its U.S. counterpart, the utility company has said. This means that the average customer who consistently uses 165 kilowatt-hours per month will pay about $483 more on their bill this month. Customers whose energy usage increased will see a greater increase in their bill amount. In a statement posted to its website, JPS noted that the billing exchange rate on bills this month is J142.95 1 United States dollar, compared to 135 Jamaican dollars and 39 cents 1 United States dollar on bills in April. This is a direct result of the fall in the value of the Jamaican dollar in the past month, JPS said, adding that most of the material needed for electricity generation and distribution is bought with US dollars, so any movement in the value of the Jamaica dollar has an impact on the cost of electricity. At the time the JPS rates were set by the Office of Utilities Regulation (R), the base exchange rate used was 128 Jamaican dollars, 1 United States dollar, which was based on the exchange rate at the time. However, whenever the value of the dollar changes, it becomes necessary for the rate applied to bills to be adjusted, using what is called a foreign exchange (FX) adjustment mechanism, to reflect the most recent FX rates from the Bank of Jamaica, JPS said. This is an approved and audited process. Furthermore, the fuel and IPP charge on bills has moved from $21.70 per kilowatt-hour to $24.20 for each kilowatt-hour used. This is due to the higher fuel and independent power producer (IPP) costs incurred in the past month, which is also impacted by the movement in the value of the dollar, JPS said. The utility company also noted that despite reports about the fall in the price of oil on the world market, the decrease is not reflected in the price that Petrojam charges JPS and the independent power producers (IPPs) for the oil used for electricity generation. The cost of oil on customers' bills, therefore, reflects the actual cost paid to Petrojam, JPS said. The company also noted that over the past 6 months, there has been a significant change in the proportion of oil used in the generation of electricity, compared to the use of LNG. Of the total electricity generated by oil and gas, approximately 69% was due to oil in October 2019, compared to 28% in April 2020.